Hello and welcome to PH Physics. Today's explainer is mains electricity. The UK grid runs at 230 volts, 50 Hz, alternating current. By the end of this video, you'll know the 3 wires, the colour code and the safety devices that protect you. UK mains electricity is alternating current at 230 volts and 50 Hz. The plug has 3 wires. Live, brown, carries the alternating current to the appliance. Neutral, blue, returns it. Earth, green and yellow, is a safety wire connecting the metal casing to ground. 3 things. 1. Fuses melt to break the circuit if current exceeds a set value, protecting the appliance and user. 2. Circuit breakers do the same job but can be reset. 3. Earth wire normally carries no current but provides a low resistance path to ground in a fault. Common slip. Using DC voltage values for AC calculations. UK mains is 230 volts AC. Peak voltage is higher than that, but the RMS value is 230. And don't confuse with USB, which is 5 volts DC, or car, 12 volts DC. Quick example, a 1200 watt appliance on the mains, I equals P divided by V, 1200 divided by 230, which is about 5.2 amps. The standard 13 amp fuse handles this easily. Anything pulling 14 amp would trip, protecting the wiring from fire. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.